Sleep in heavenly peace. Here's the left hand and right hand together the first time you do the phrase. Here's the left hand part. Finger 5 plays C. Finger 1 plays G at the same time. So you have sleep in, then you got to cross over to this B flat. So you have sleep in heavenly peace. I'll try that again for you. Yeah, sleep in heavenly peace. You got to hold that out. There's that F and A we keep coming back to. So you have 1 and 5. You have your B flat. And then you have fingers 1 and 2. They come back to the F and A. Here it is in context. 1, 2, 3, 1. Ready? Play. Sleep in heavenly peace. Do that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 1. Ready? Play. Sleep in heavenly peace. Don't forget to reach up for that A.